If you live in the UK and try to open Polymarket, you might find that the site doesn't load or shows a restriction message. Some prediction markets and crypto-related platforms aren't always available in every country due to local regulations or licensing rules. The good news is that you can often access Polymarket from the United Kingdom safely and securely by using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your internet connection and hides your real IP address. This makes it look like you're browsing from another country where Polymarket is accessible. It also helps protect your privacy, especially on public Wi-Fi or shared networks. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it using NordVPN. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price. Before we start, it's important to know this. Using a VPN for privacy and to access websites that may be restricted in your region is generally legal in most countries, including the UK. However, you should always check Polymarket's terms of service or contact their support to be 100% sure that using a VPN is allowed for their platform. This is normally fine, but rules can vary by service. VPNs are also great for protecting your privacy on public Wi-Fi and for unblocking websites that may be censored in some places. Now, to get started, go to the NordVPN website using the link below. Create your account, choose a plan that works best for you, and download the NordVPN app on your device. NordVPN works on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and even routers if you want to protect all devices on your network. Once installed, open the NordVPN app and log in. You'll see a list of countries and servers. To access Polymarket from the UK, connect to a server in a country where Polymarket is available, such as the United States, the Netherlands, or Germany. These regions generally allow access to crypto and prediction markets. After your VPN connection is active, open your browser and go to the Polymarket website. Because your IP address now appears to be from the country you selected, the site should load normally. Log in with your wallet, browse markets, and participate just like you would anywhere else. If the site still doesn't load or shows an error, try switching to another server in the same country and refresh the page. That usually resolves any access issues. So that's how you can use Polymarket in the UK. Always check the platform's terms of service and your local laws before trying this method, and make sure you use the tool responsibly. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out.